So this is when you start out. Open up a brand new mesh. I'm going to go into materials here, and I'm just going to choose a metal I like, so I'll just do iron galvanized. You're going to have a layer 1 sitting here. I just threw it in the save folder so I wouldn't lose all the stuff I did. So that fills the entire layer, the entire thing. It's just like a paint bucket tool in Photoshop. So to get it to hide part of that, you add a black mask. Blam, and now there's nothing there because this entire mask is black. And what that's doing is actually, if you go into 2D, 3D, it's covering the entire UV area with black on your alpha layer. So it's hiding everything that has to do with this layer. So all that metal is gone. So to get that to show up again, you need to make sure your mask is selected. You can't have your layer selected, it has to be the mask. And then you go in and click this tool up here. I don't know what the tool is called. Polygon Fiddle. And then you can choose anything between black and white since you're using alpha, so it's just two colors. You can do grayscale if you wanted, but we'll do black. And then I like to use UV or a group. It's just easier than trying to select every single thing, or object I mean. So I'll choose object, and I just drag a marquee across it, and then it unhides that blade for me. Now if I wanted to do it again over here, let's say I do this, but I only wanted this section, so I can just Z back, or Command Z back. Or if I did mess up and I couldn't Command Z back, I could just go over and slide this back to black and go over it again, and it just switches it back off, because I'm just switching between black and white here. And I could go in the middle too, and as you can see, it's pretty light now compared to this one because it's half and half. So it's pretty simple. But if I wanted to change something like part of this instead of the whole thing, you could either do UV, but that doesn't work because it's all on one UV layer, or I can go to polygons and zoom in here and mask across this. So you could also just do it backward. So instead of having to go in and do all these little pieces here, because that's going to be a pain, I could just grab the object, make the whole thing, and then go back here and go back to polygon and just unhide this part that I don't want. So now I've just got that end piece there selected. And that's it. That's pretty much all there is to it. You can copy these masks, you can copy the mask, you can make a copy and make a new layer. You can go like this and change this to a different texture, and then paste the mask in there. Well, I already have one, but anyway, you can change them all around however you want. I don't know why I've got these weird lines in here. Anyway, yeah, that's how you mask. It's pretty simple. Good luck.